Hello, everyone, for this part 3.5. Not 4 because we are not going to follow the wiki instantly, in fact, for this. So you can go through part 4 if you want to. This is just to be able to test your map um, in the current version of the Karters 2. Um, it so this is not currently in the wiki because it's not how you follow the steps. Though I thought maybe since it's already playable, I mean, why not? You won't be able to play with AIs, but you should be able to play in time trial or just play the map. So, really quick, first thing you need to do is everything is set here, so you can check this is correct. I just hid it because it's easier to work with. So let's go here into Pixel Tools and where we had our Environment tool and Environment Collider driver. Sorry. You have PTK package exporter. So here it is. So I have it in a whole other window because it's an old way I was using it. So, but here it is. So here we only have two mods with other example ones. So create new mod. Here new mod 503. So this one is the hash. So this has to stay the same. So if you, in fact, to be clear, those are how to say, those are the keys that makes the mod relatable online. It's not the name of the mod, it's the hash of the mod. So people with the same hash is considered with the same mod. So let's say Catherine, because I'm myself. Rainbow Road. Say GBAMK Rainbow Road. You can simply take it and put exactly the same thing. Mod name. Let's call it GBA Rainbow Road. GBAMK Rainbow Road. Mother, boom. Tag, this is what you have created. So tracks, because track. Mod visibility public, because it's fine. And then you've chosen track tag, but no track selected for export. Indeed, sorry. Indeed, yes, we haven't selected everything for now. So thumbnails, we'll need to modify the thumbnail to be able to use a real value, a real display. For now, we are not going to do it because it's just for testing and it's not for real export. So leave this as it is and then export. So now we have a lot of things to do. First, here you have tracks and you can select your track Rainbow Road. And there you have selected for export. We're now exporting the Rainbow Road, which means if we go into settings, we don't have our error anymore. So export is fine. Password is the password. That means that you can share your mod, like locally, share the files and everything like this. However, if you have the same mod, because it's the same hash as I said, it was the thing that relates between the server and the mod. So here is the password that will be used by yourself to be able to upload a new version. Meaning that if you share this, and the people that have this password will actually be able to update your mod. Probably you don't want this. So because it's a test, I'm not going to enter it here. I'm going to enter it out of this window because if I forget, it would be a shame. So mod version, we are going 0.1. Changelog is initial tests. Track leaderboard, doesn't matter. And there you go. So what I'm going to do is click on export and generate only new thumbnail fast here. Though I'm just going to enter a password. So there you go. And I'm entering a password. Boom, boom. Yeah. There you go. I have a password. I click on thumbnail. it's actually creating the mod, the track to be exported. There you go. We have it now. So it should have opened uh, something like this. So you can see your new GBA MK Rainbow Road here. So you can go into your mods directory in the Karters 2 game. So me, it's in Steam Apps Common, like a lot of people. And then here I will just copy it, copy and paste, and it's here. So now what I want to do is I want to start the Karters. So I will be starting the Karters. There you go. So I have the Karters here, and if I go into mods, you'll see in publish, I have here a white screen for GBA MK Rainbow Road, which means it's actually detected the mod, and we can test it. So let's go into arcade adaptive because we don't care. Time trial, left side custom 1, Rainbow Road. If you remember the first video, I said we don't care about the thumbnail. Let's just leave it like this. This is the one. So this is why it's not white but default. No ghost. Let's start and let's see what happens. Okay. As you can see, we have an issue. This is because we don't have the last version of TK2. How unfortunate. Well, maybe if when you will watch this video, you will have the good version of it because I just don't have the good version of it, the last version of TK2, so I can't test. Though, look at this. You've loaded it. And it looks a bit small, but we'll see what it does. Yep, so have a good one, and we'll see you in the real part. Bye-bye.